The third universal promise of leadership is about you, the leader, ensuring that your strategies, systems, and processes serve and facilitate focus and execution, specifically in the direction of your vision. So, selecting those strategies and systems and process is a function of leadership. Executing those same systems, strategies, and processes is a function of management that you and your entire team carry out. But the critical piece is keeping your destination in mind. What will get you there? I've seen many practices where, and other organizations where the strategies they're employing and deploying are not serving their final destination. They may be great in a different context or setting, but not really for where this particular organization wants to go. So matching that is critical. The purpose of those strategies, those systems, and those processes is to channel action efficiently into results. And as we are executing on them, then we get feedback, we get data about how are we doing. Is it working? Are our strategies on point, or do we need to refine them? And almost always they need a refinement as we deploy them. So if we pay attention, then we have the opportunity to continue to grow how we're doing what we were doing, so that we're being more effective towards the things that are most important to us. This promise of leadership is really about helping the organization maintain focus and minimize distraction. And as a dentist, I have participated in and I have seen so many people get distracted by the latest idea, the latest class they took, book they read, article they read, what their friends were doing. They really had nothing to do with what they wanted, but in a slow month or in a time where you're questioning what you're doing, people try a lot of things, and then it takes us off of course of really what's important to get to what we have identified is the place that we want to go. So leaders break this promise in a variety of ways. One is by not providing or managing the critical resources that are necessary, whether that's equipment, supplies, systems, people, most importantly people, but not providing the best resources possible. Or, as I'd said before, allowing distractions to diminish our focus and get in the way of our journey, or that we have accepted or defined inadequate processes, things that really don't produce the results that we need to go where we want to go. And then finally, sometimes we as human beings become addicted to the processes. They're almost like traditions rather than the results. And then in that process, we may become unwilling to really be honest and objective about the process. Is it serving us well? Breaking promises from the leader is exhausting. It steals energy, it degrades hope, and it builds resentment. So it's just critical that we are on point here with being the kind of person that helps to facilitate the progress of the organization. Our brand and our leadership brand is about the promises that we make, and are we keeping them, and how well are we keeping them. The first and the last task of a leader is to keep hope alive, the hope that we're finding our way to a better place, and that place we've worked really hard to define is our vision, or the destination that is our vision. I hope this was helpful to you, and I look forward to our next session on the promises of leadership. Thanks.